All right, I'm here with one of my favorite outdoor accessories, the Solo Stove. So this is actually their tabletop Mesa edition. It's super portable. You can just throw it into the car, throw it into the truck. You don't have to worry about carrying all of that heavy equipment around to your campsite, and it's ready to go in minutes. It's super easy to set up. Just take it out of the bag, throw some feet underneath it, light you some firewood, maybe do some pellets. It does burn those little wood pellets, but I like to use some real firewood here. Cut it up, smaller pieces. I've got my trusty Gerber hatchet. Love that thing. Cut you some wood up into smaller pieces, a little kindling. So you can use these Solo Stove fire starters. They're just little compact bricks. Throw it into the Solo Stove, throw it into the little campfire, and light it with a match or a lighter. It makes things super easy, and you don't have to worry about much at all. It burns hot, it burns quick, it's dependable, and ready to go wherever and whenever you are. That double wall design is super durable. It's ready to go anywhere, and it's smokeless. So that's the best thing about this. It's like you're not walking around a campfire, getting the smoke, chasing it, burning your eyes. Like I'm sitting here right next to it right now, and it's perfect. Whether you're camping, just hanging out in the backyard, maybe a tailgate, you break this thing out, it adds instant ambience to the party, instantly keeps the conversation flowing. Everybody loves it. You can roast some marshmallows, maybe some hot dogs, whatever you want to do. It's the perfect little portable fire pit. So if you like this video and you want to see more of content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.